Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Laura, and today I am going to be going in my Happy Planner Memory Keeper for January. Love this. It's really pretty. I'm going to be doing January 27th to January 31st. So, yeah, I really like the Happy Planner Memory Keeper. I think it's fun. Trying to find some green washi tape that kind of goes with this lime green. I really wanted to use the llama with hearts, but I ended up using this green sparkle because it went better. And yeah, I really like the Happy Planner. I think I've said this like every week, but it just is a great memory keeper that I can share with anyone, and it's simple. I keep it simple. I try to keep gratitude in it and a little bit about what we're doing, and just make it so that people can look at it and enjoy it too. So I like adding the washi tape just because, I don't know, it adds a pop to my pages, I think. Do you, right? Do you? Okay. So I really do like the size of these memory keepers too, because you can add in the HP Sprocket photos super well. I wanted to share that because I love my HP Sprocket. But you don't have to either. Like you can see I use lots of cutouts and just like pieces of scrapbook paper or whatever, and then stickers, and it works. Like it's creative enough for me for now. Anyways, so we've been like fighting the winter. I feel like I'm really happy that January is ending, because yeah, we just have not had the sunshine that I need. I am like a plant. I need water, sunshine, and food. But yeah, anyways, the kids did a student showcase tryout on Wednesday, so I put the dancer in there. My son does hip hop and tap and a bunch of dance, and my daughter does ballet and point and jazz and contemporary. She doesn't much do in tap. Again, like I was saying before, I like to add the thankful stuff, so that's what I'm writing in here. The sunshine even when it's cold, and laughter because it's good for the soul. I feel like laughter will keep you alive if you just laugh, like let yourself laugh. I don't know, maybe it's just me. And then I really liked this little flowers cutout thing that I had from somewhere. And I think I just need the joy of spring at this point. So I wrote that we were creating costumes for the showcase, for their auditions, because they're required to do pretty much everything, which is really cool, I think. But it's definitely a lot of work. So then I was putting this piece of cake on there because I thought, I don't know, their tryouts, piece of cake. I don't know that it's necessarily a piece of cake. They had to work really hard, but it was fun for them. So, it's like, a piece of cake, just because no matter what, they're having fun, whether they get in or not. Yeah, so putting a couple things I'm thankful for, because I need to be thankful right now. I'm struggling for reals. So the second half of the week was a little hard. My oldest got sick, and so that was kind of a bummer. So I put just that he got sick, and then I wrote stuff I was thankful for because I was trying to change my attitude. And that's what you got to do, right? And so then I'm just gonna add a couple fun stickers. So yeah. I mean, stickers make everything better, right? Stickers and hearts. That's my opinion. I wrote think positively because I don't know. I just felt like him getting sick. It's just been a long January. I think it's been a long 2020. I wrote you're worth it. Just like a happy little reminder for myself that the time and energy I put in is worth it. And I gave myself an award, kicked butt, today. I think I should say kicked butt for January 2020. Let's just put it that way. But, gotta have a good heart and happy attitude. Some weeks are harder than others, and I'm just gonna go with it. And then I found punch today in the face, which after, that day I just felt like punch today in the face was really appropriate. Sometimes you gotta punch it in the face and keep going. And then I cut out some essential oils doTERRA from a magazine because my son was sick and that's what we do. I'm definitely a believer in them for some things. They just help. And then I thought that Can't Touch This with the porkly pines. Oh my goodness. Cactus were funny because I was like, can't touch this. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you like this. I'd love to see you again soon. Give this a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. Have a blessed day.